Our solar system is a bustling place. Planets orbit the sun in a harmonious dance, moons in turn revolve around these planets creating a mesmerizing celestial ballet. And amidst this cosmic choreography, we find the leftovers from our solar system's creation: asteroids, comets, meteors, meteoroids, and meteorites. These remnants hold clues to the early days of our solar system. Billions of years ago, our solar system formed from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. This primordial cloud was the birthplace of everything we see in our solar neighborhood today. This cloud, called a nebula, collapsed under its own gravity. The process was slow but inevitable, driven by the forces of nature. The center became incredibly dense and hot, eventually igniting into our sun. This ignition marked the birth of our star, providing the light and heat necessary for life. Around the newborn sun, the remaining dust and gas began to clump together. These particles collided and stuck together, forming larger and larger bodies. These clumps grew larger over time, attracting more and more material through gravity. This process of accretion continued for millions of years. Eventually, these clumps became the planets, dwarf planets, and moons we know today. Each one unique, each one a testament to the dynamic processes that shaped our solar system. But not all of the material in the early solar system became part of these large objects. Some of it remained as smaller bodies, scattered throughout the vast expanse of space. Some of it remained as smaller bodies, scattered throughout the solar system. These remnants are like cosmic time capsules preserving the history of our solar system's formation. These are the asteroids, comets, and meteoroids that continue to fascinate us today. They offer a glimpse into the past and help us understand the origins of our cosmic home. Asteroids are like the solar system's rubble pile, remnants from its formation billions of years ago. They are rocky bodies that orbit the sun but are too small to be considered planets, often referred to as minor planets. Think of them as minor planets, each with its own unique story to tell. Most asteroids reside in a vast region between Mars and Jupiter called the asteroid belt, a cosmic junkyard of sorts. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny grains to massive boulders. Some are as small as pebbles, barely noticeable in the vastness of space, while others are hundreds of miles in diameter, towering giants in the asteroid belt. They are often irregularly shaped, like giant potatoes tumbling through space, each with its own unique form. These space rocks are mostly made up of rock, metal, and sometimes even clay, a diverse mix of materials. Asteroids are like time capsules from the early solar system, preserving ancient secrets. Their composition provides valuable clues about the conditions and materials present during that era, offering a glimpse into the past. Studying them helps us understand how our solar system formed and evolved, shedding light on the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood. Comets are like cosmic snowballs made up of ice, dust, and rock. They originate from the outer regions of our solar system, far colder than the asteroid belt. While asteroids are mostly rock and metal, comets are a mixture of these materials with ice and frozen gases. Comets travel in long, elliptical orbits around the sun. As a comet gets closer to the sun, the ice and frozen gases within it begin to vaporize. This process is called sublimation. The vaporized material forms a glowing cloud around the comet's nucleus called the coma. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the sun, pushes on the coma, creating the comet's spectacular tail. Comet tails can stretch for millions of kilometers, creating a breathtaking celestial display. Section 4. Meteors, meteoroids, and meteorites, a matter of location. These three terms often cause confusion, but they all relate to the same basic phenomenon: a small piece of space debris entering Earth's atmosphere. This debris can come from comets, asteroids, or even the Moon and Mars. The difference lies in their location. Understanding these terms helps us better grasp the journey of these space travelers. A meteoroid is a small piece of rock or metal in space, often left behind by a comet or asteroid. These tiny travelers can range in size from a grain of sand to a boulder. When a meteoroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, it creates a fiery streak of light called a meteor, also known as a shooting star. This spectacular display is caused by the intense friction between the meteoroid and the atmospheric particles. The intense heat generated by friction with the atmosphere causes most meteors to burn up completely before reaching the ground. This process creates the bright, fleeting light we see in the sky. However, if a meteoroid survives its fiery plunge and lands on Earth's surface, it is then called a meteorite. These remnants can vary greatly in size and composition. Meteorites provide scientists with valuable samples of material from space. They offer a tangible connection to the cosmos. By studying their composition, we can learn about the formation of the solar system and the materials present in other celestial bodies. This research helps us understand the building blocks of planets and the history of our own Earth. Section 5. Conclusion: the universe in motion. Our solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Asteroids, comets, meteors, meteoroids, and meteorites are not just celestial objects. They are remnants of the solar system's formation and provide us with clues to its history. By studying these objects, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe and the processes that shaped our world. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are sure to make even more fascinating discoveries about these celestial wanderers.